Take a look at this great ranch-style home with Wixom Lake canal frontage. This alluring property has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths with plenty of living space in the living room, family room and large kitchen. You are sure to appreciate the sizable, 44 by 23, garage for your storage needs or workshop area. Outside there is a shed with 220 electric service and a RV hookup. The electric awning will shade you in the hot summer days. When the lake levels are normalized, the canal provides easy access to Wixom Lake. This home would make an excellent year-round residence or storybook cottage for your weekend getaways. Schedule your personal showing today.